Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term HBS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, HBS stands for have been said. People use it when they want to indicate that something has already been mentioned or discussed. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. HBS first showed up in the early 2000s in online chat rooms. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among internet communities and casual texters. Now let's check out how to use HBS in a sentence. Correct example 1. I already told you that it's HBS at this point in our conversation. Correct example 2. Dude, that joke is so old, it's totally HBS. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said HBS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using HBS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. HBS means have been said. It started in the early 2000s online chat rooms, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with HBS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.